Ooh. Okay, so this is our brand new iPhone 14 Pro that you can see here. It's the deep purple color. As you can see, the box has this reflective effect, as you can see on it, and when you touch the phone on the edges, you can feel, you know, the depth sense of it. You can actually feel that. But this iPhone text that you see on the right hand side, it's just plain, and the Apple logo on the bottom is also just plain. So is the Apple logo on top and the Apple logo on the sides right here. Now, unfortunately, I did pull the pull tabs initially when I took video number 1, but my camera wasn't recording for some reason. So you see my pull tabs right here, but this is the device. If you go to the bottom, this is what you will see. You will see that it's an iPhone 14 Pro, and then you will see some serial numbers and so on, and you'll be able to pull your pull tabs. One will be on the top, one will be on the bottom, and once you pull it, you'll be able to open up your box, right? So since I already did that, you can see that now you have the ability to lift up the box. I like this box the way it looks, and when you pull it up, whew, look at the purple. Now the purple does look good. You can see that it has this reflective effect depending on how much color it's getting. You can see there it looks like it's space gray sort of, but once it gets into direct light, you can see the purple shining right there, giving it that deep purple effect. So it's good. It's a good color, you know. You can see how it looks compared to the one advertised on the box. It's not too bright and it's not too dim, so it's perfect color for me, and I really like it. You can see the camera bumps. Oh my god, they look so big. Let me see if you can see sideways like that. So you can see that they come out more, even more than the iPhone 13 Pro series. So wow, you can actually feel it. And yeah, once you do this, you can lift up the phone like that. Boom. You see what comes in the box. So in the box we have some paperwork, of course, and this time around it seems like Apple is, you know, shrinking everything down a little bit. So you have iPhone paperwork. Then since I'm in Canada, you can see that I have a SIM card placed there, so that's the reason why we have this SIM ejector tool. We'll put it down. We have more paperwork, and then we just have one Apple logo sticker. So that's the paperwork that comes in this box, and you can see here that on this paperwork it will tell you that this is the power button. It will tell you that this is the volume down, volume up, and your ringer right there that you can silence and unsilence your device. So now I actually had pulled this off initially when I was recording. Well, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So let's quickly just pull this off. Obviously you do get this USB-C to lightning cable, no headphone or no power brick, as you can see there. So it's unfortunate. Now let's go ahead and unbox this and remove the top cover. It's a good thing because it sticks back on even though I had removed it initially. So ooh, and you can see it does show you where the charging port is right there by the lightning. So we'll pull it off. Okay, pretty good. Then since I was already setting up my device, and you can see that, you know, it comes up to the hello screensaver, but you can see the notch right there, or the dynamic island, so to say. I'm going to be testing it out and doing videos on it. And yeah, I like this deep color, this deep purple. It does look good. You can see the reflection. It's not too much, not too subtle, and depending on how you have it, I might put a clear case on it, and you can see, you know, my fingerprints are all over this device. Let me see if I can get you the perfect reflection of my fingerprints. You can see there. So maybe since I like this color, I might put a clear case. You can see how my other case used to look. So it was an Under Armour solid case, so maybe I'll put a clear case just to show this deep purple color. But yeah, other than that, this is how the device looks. It is restoring, so I'll probably have to go and connect to faster Wi-Fi so that this time you know, drops down a little bit more. But that is my unboxing video when it comes to the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro. Now, I'm going to be doing a ton of videos on this device, so if that's something that you want to see, then definitely do subscribe and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.